How to use Hedra AI Ultimate Beginner's Guide. New to Hedra AI, let's explore how to use it step by step, from signing up to creating your first project. So, what is Hedra AI? It is a platform that lets you generate and edit AI powered content, text, visuals, and workflows without coding. So sign up with your email or Google account, and once inside, the dashboard shows your projects, templates, and tools. Create a project. Click Create a new project, choose a template like text generation or image creation, and name your project. Use Hadra's tools. Type a prompt in the editor like write a blog intro about productivity. Hadra generates text instantly. For visuals, enter a description and Hadra creates an image. You can refine outputs by editing prompts or adjusting settings like tone, style, or resolution. Export your work, download text as a document, or copy it directly. For visuals, save as PNG or JPEG. Share projects with collaborators using Hedra's built in sharing options. And that is how to use Hedra AI.